Now we're calculating the course angle, right, CA there. So same as before, we just start plugging and chugging. So sine of DLO, so 36.0, divided by the cosine of L1, which is 51.39, times the tangent, never forget this is a tangent, it's easy to get this confused, of negative, always negative, 49.74, minus the sine of 51.39 times the cosine of, I'm running out of room here, 36.0. Go back into plugging everything in. Remember, we're going to do each section at a time. So cosine of x times tangent of y gets you that. You're now going to do sine of x times cosine of z. You're going to do the first part minus the second part. Gets you that. Now you're going to do sine of, z divided by the denominator that we found. Got all of that. Now we're going to do tangent inverse the answer. And we get negative 23. So z is equal, or not z, sorry, CA is equal to negative 23.28 degrees. Remember, and I'm sorry that I messed this up before. Remember, it's negative because the answer you just got is showing you the direction you are first facing, pointing this way, because that's tangent to the curve here, pointing towards your destination. But you're not interested in your destination right now. You're interested in the direction that you are pointing along the curve to get to your vertex, which is in the opposite direction of you. So now what you're going to do is you're going to add 180 to this, plus 180. So plus 180. And we get CA is equal to 156.7 degrees, which is that direction. We're still going to label it as it's still south, because it's still suppose it's southwest. I'm not totally certain on this. I don't know whether it should be labeled southwest or actually it would be northeast. In this new notation, that's just north 156 degrees east, and that's the value we're going to use. But fundamentally, we're still working with this relationship here, and the trigonometry that we use will kind of default back to this angle here, because, you know, trig never actually goes above 90. So if you plug in 156, it will see, you'll write this angle, but it will think this angle, and that's what it's working with. So technically north 156 degrees east is right. So we're going to write that off to the side. CA is north 156 degrees, or 0.7 degrees east, and then we're going to save that as XYZ T. T is equal to T. Good. Now we go on to finding the vertex.